All right, what's up, guys? For online week one learning, I already posted the expectations video, but this was just another opportunity for you guys. This is the actual work itself, and this video that I'm doing now is just to help you figure out what the heck is going on. All right. So every week it's going to say online learning in that week, right, or that assignment, right, and the date ranges that I'm looking for you to complete the work in. You will have your corresponding classes. D block, I will have yours separate because you guys are honors. It will be relatively similar, but just a little bit more. All right. So what we're going to see is we're going to have the topic, and I'll always have at the top, I'll have the objective. So you should be able to do these things by the end of the week, right? So for this week, I want you to be able to create reflective and analytical responses explaining the political effects of the Great Depression through online platforms like Google Classroom, right? I want you to engage in academic discussions with your peers regarding historical events through online deliberation. So you're going to be talking. Now, this might be, you guys, if you wanted to get really creative, I'm just asking for a Google response. But if you decide to engage in this through a Google Docs itself as a class, if you guys decided, like you and your friends were talking about the assignment, and you wanted to like record a discussion instead of typing it out, I'm fine with that too. You can get a little creative with it, but the default response can just be on Google Classroom. The next thing I want you guys to be able to do is to research and collect historically accurate explanations of the cause of the Great Depression by sifting through online sources. For CP, I pretty much provided those for you. For honors, you'll have to do a little bit of scavenging on your own. I'll always have like breakdown of what you need to complete the lesson. So if you share resources with somebody at home, you can figure out who needs the computer when. So for this week, you'll need the notebook, your Chromebook, or something for online learning. It can be even your phone would work. You need the link that's here, the cause of the Great Depression link, and then you need to have the textbook pages, 708 International Relations through page 712. If you don't have your textbook, either let me know so I can take pictures and scan it up to you guys, or try and reach out to a friend and see if they can take pictures of the textbook and send it to you. Right now, we're going to double check that this link works. I actually made this website. Okay, good. So this is one of the readings. See, a couple of reasons for that in the video. Good. Very good. Okay, now step one. I would like you on either a Google Doc or a piece of paper to find the following terms: economics, economic depression, economic recession, finance, Federal Reserve, and the New Deal. That's step one. Now, it can still be on the same piece of paper. Please take light notes. I'm not asking for everything. You know who you are. On the following reading sections, page 708, starting at the international relations part. I'll even show you what it looks like here. I'm asking for you to start with the camera on this part here. Cool. The international relations through page 712. You are not doing the questions. I repeat, you are not doing the questions. All right. And then please continue and take notes on that link that I showed you above. I'll even open it again to make sure it's the same link. Beautiful. Still works. Good. All right. Next, please watch the following video and make sure to take down the necessary notes. It is on the Great Depression and the rise of totalitarians, so more radical leaders. And then I would like you to post a 1 to 2 paragraph response to Google Classroom. All right. I'm even going in this video to make the discussion thread post for you with all of these discussions, and I'll put my own response and say, here, this is how you do it. Okay. That's why I'm making this video, to make sure you have an exact example of what to do. All right. So you need to make a 1 to 2 paragraph post. It should be detailed. It needs to have substance in it. Right. You can cite information, you can quote things, whatever you would like to do, all right? And it needs to answer this question, all right? How did the aftermath of World War I and the Great Depression change politics and society in the United States and in Europe? In other words, how did different leaders react to these developments and the demands of their citizens? A hint is to consider the rise of Hitler and Mussolini in Nazi Germany and fascist Italy versus democratic leaders like President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, FDR, and French socialist Edward Herriot, of the US and France. All right. If you'd like to look up another leader, that's totally fine. All right. Later in the week, I want you to respond to a classmate quickly. It can be a few sentences, so you can say like "I agree," but something like that to make sure we know we're talking like we do in class. Okay. Right now, I'm going to demo what this is going to look like and make that next post for you guys. All right. So I'm going to say discussion question. We're going to copy and paste it. We're going to go to all the classes here. Right now, we're going to paste. We'll do this with the question. Make this look all cool. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Just so you guys know what's going on. And then I'll even put the due date. So this is by Friday 4/10. Is it a true due date? No, this is a rough approximation. I totally understand you guys all have different demands, but I would like it if you guys could try and get to this. Not a huge deal if you cannot, okay? Let me know if you have any issues at home, all right? So I'm gonna hit post. And you guys can comment here, right? So this is where you type your post. By writing in reply. Make sure to put your name with it as well. Boom. We did it. Okay. Let me know what you guys think about this, how it works. This is an evolving situation. We're learning. We'll figure it out. Thank you. Good luck. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. It is my job to help you. Have fun. Get outside while it's nice out. Do something fun. Read a book. Bye.